Hi Ben, good afternoon. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Is that the best I could come up with, a wet, muddy field? But it's actually an indication of what's happening across the country at the moment. We have got everything in the forecast today. We've got rain, we've got wind, even temperature a talking point as well. This weather front has brought the rain this morning, and actually this pyramid of weather fronts, well, that's dragging in the stronger winds coming all the way up from the southwest, and it's pushing this mild air across the country. You might not have noticed it at the moment, but you sure will possibly through the night tonight. So we've got some rain, and that's pushing its way steadily north and east. It's gradually moving its way into Scotland. Behind it, quite a clearance, and so that means an improving picture across Wales, central and southern England. Still maybe cloudy and drizzly along the coast here, and still a windy day, but the heaviest of the rain perhaps across northwest England and southwest Scotland. Widespread gusts in excess of 40 miles an hour, possibly even stronger, 50, close to 60 on exposed coasts as well. But temperatures should peak at 16 degrees. That's slightly above the average for the time of year. And the rain will then start to ease away out of Scotland, and it'll leave a trail of showers following on behind. At the same time, we've got this wet weather continuing to drift into Wales. But just look at the temperatures, overnight minimums of low to mid-teens. That's incredible for this time of year. So it's going to be a mild start to Friday. Slightly quieter day. Yes, we've got this rain through Wales and southwest England, which has to clear across the Channel coast. It will do so, slowly brightening up into North Wales, Northern England, Northern Ireland and Scotland. A few scattered showers into Scotland, and top temperatures again between 9 and 16 degrees. Now, a real gear change, though, for the start of the weekend. Low pressures waiting like buses out in the Atlantic. This significant low on Saturday could be quite a potent storm. It's going to bring a spell of very heavy rain. Look at the brighter colours mixed in there along west-facing slopes. So that will slowly push its way steadily eastwards. A wraparound of persistent rain continues into Scotland and Northern Ireland. And widespread gales, severe gales in places. That's gusts of winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, maybe stronger, but it's still going to be mild, 11 to 17 degrees. So if you've got plans this weekend, please keep abreast of the forecast, because the combination of the gales and the rain may well lead to some travel disruption. It's all a bit depressing, isn't it, really? It is autumn, I know, but bear in mind, into next week, beginning of November, I can end with a glimmer of good news. High pressure builds, dries things up, and maybe brightens up quite nicely. Ben.